When I put on a wig, I want all my questions answered. I want to hear church bells ringing. I want to feel salvation in my spirit. Like, is that too much to ask? Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is sponsored by Zury Hollywood. I got another synthetic wig coming for you guys, so make sure you keep on watching. Alright you guys, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure you hit that post notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Now let's jump right into this new wig. So this wig is by Zury Hollywood. This one is called REN. It's a part of their Glam collection. And I do have her in Sombre HH Purple. If you're curious about this wig that I'm rocking on my head right now, I do have a review up for this wig. I'll leave the link right here somewhere, but make sure you finish watching this video first. Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna stop because I feel like this wig is making me ask myself a lot of questions that I feel like I should probably just be speaking out loud. I'm confused. I don't like this. I don't like being confused by a wig. I feel like this is a costume party wig. Like where, when do you wear this? I'm confused. Okay, so the wig is like two-sided, which is fine. I don't mind two-sided, but like why aren't we just doing it all two-sided? Like, if it's a two-tone, then let's go for it. But this is like undecidedly two-tone. Like, we want to be the same color up here, and then the bang wants to be somewhat two-sided, and then this is just like doing, it's almost like an oops, maybe a mistake. And it makes me ask questions. I don't like putting on wigs that make me ask questions. When I put on a wig, I want all my questions answered. I want to hear church bells ringing. I want to feel salvation in my spirit. Like, is that too much to ask? When I put on a wig, I want all my sorrows to go away. I want to feel love, happiness, joy. I want to feel like my rent is paid. I just want to feel excited about life and not questioning life's existence and why we're here. No, ma'am. This wig is a no on so many levels. I don't even want to get into all of them. But actually, let's go ahead and dive in. So the cut, why? Like, either we should be curly or we should be straight. At this length, this is giving me grandma or somebody's auntie type of tease. And then the color is giving me like somebody's rave that's like way too tripped out on acid. I'm confused. Why is there a bang? Like, we could have not did the bang. There's just so many things. so many things. I was tempted to straighten this wig, but straightening this wig will not help at all. So I'm just gonna let this rock out like this, and yeah. Second one for the night, it's gonna be a big hard no, and it's a hard pass. Sorry. I have to be honest. Honesty is the best policy. See, even Angel agrees. She's like, be honest, tell the truth. Come here. She's not coming. Zuri REN, I'm gonna have to pass on this one, guys. Sorry. This would be the time where we all say stay tuned for the slow-mos, but we're not gonna say that today. So this is where I just say thanks for watching.